Hey guys, it is Kelly James here, the creator of Hate Selling, Love Sales, where I teach you how to sell without selling. Today I want to share with you something that helped me overcome my fear of rejection. I read a book called The Magic of Thinking Big. I believe that was the name of the book. And he talked about fear versus anxiety. And I've shared this with my clients. And it's been very helpful for them, and it's been very helpful for me to overcome my fear of selling. So what he said in the book was, fear is if a lion were to come to the door right now, come to the room where you are right now, what you experience is true fear, okay? When you are in a sale or when you're trying to convince someone to say yes, to get them to say yes to you, that is anxiety. Now, this distinction was very powerful for me because for me, it's much easier for me to manage anxiety than it is to manage fear, because fear is natural. Fear is there to protect us from danger. Anxiety feels like fear, and it's hard for your brain to decipher the two. But by me understanding the difference between fear and anxiety, I was able to come up with different strategies, different things that I do to bring my anxiety level down. So I wanted to share that quick tip and that distinction because it was so powerful for me. And if you guys would like to know some of the things that I do to manage my anxiety when I'm going to be on a sales call, or if I'm pitching a new idea, what are those? I do have a developed process that I share with my clients on how they can overcome that fear daily. Just put in the comments, give me the tips, Kelly. Just say, give me the tips, Kelly. I will be more than happy to share with you guys those things that help me to overcome that anxiety, and I believe will help you. So like I say, just put in the comments that you'd like to hear those tips. And if you guys want to hear it, I'll be more than happy to do another video and share with you all of the tips that I use to overcome. Because remember, this is one of the biggest complaints, the biggest issues that people have with selling is they are afraid of rejection. And I want to help you overcome that. If you can overcome your fear of rejection and be able to manage that, you are already going to see an increase in the number of sales you make. So anyway, Kelly James, talk to you guys soon. Peace.